Hello everybody and welcome back to another hair tutorial video. Today's video is sponsored by DNA Hair Tools. So we're going to show you how to use our new Air Styler straightener. So as you can see, the biggest difference is that our new Air Styler is in the shape of a curling iron. So the clamp feature makes it so much easier to curl, so you don't have to worry about your hair falling out while trying to spin, do so much multitasking. And yes, mama, it does get hot. Not me being impressed by something I already knew. But yes, it does have a fan. So the fan helps instantly cool the hair and lock in those curls for longer lasting results. Look at that, so easy, wow, so bouncy, so fast. If your hair is not good at holding a curl, this tool is definitely for you. Here I'm just pointing out one of the most common mistakes when curling your hair with the flat iron. If not careful with technique and how you pull down the tool, your hair will slip out of the straightener, making it more frustrating. So as you can see, you want to glide a little bit more to the side to ensure that the hair stays within the plates, making it a lot easier, a lot faster, and a lot smoother to achieve. So as you can see, I brought my elbow up and pointed my flat iron down on this one. There's really no right or wrong answer on how to curl as long as you get the look that you're going for. So personally, I prefer to point the flat iron down because it just makes it a lot easier, a lot smoother to glide down. Don't have to worry about the hair falling out. But it also makes it a lot easier to control the style that you want. This technique allows you to get those really tight ringlet curls or those loose beachy waves depending on what you're looking for that day. So we're going to continue using this technique, keeping that elbow up, pointing that flat iron down. You want to go ahead and clamp. You spin the tool first and glide all the way down. Keep in mind, the slower you glide, the tighter the curl. The faster you glide down, the looser the curl. Once we are done curling our whole head, we're going to run our fingers through our curls, setting those curls for a more dropped, fuller, bouncier look. Ladies, these curls will last, so don't be afraid to run your fingers through them. You don't have to set them with a ton of hairspray. You don't have to worry about it falling before you leave the house. You are good. I'm just gonna set in any extra pieces, add a little extra curl, a little bit of extra volume, and here it is. Our final look with our new Air Styler. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And